Namaste from this side to that. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore 5 common mistakes graphic designers make. But we are not just going to talk about the mistakes, but we'll dive deep into what they are, the issues they can lead to, and most importantly, how to avoid them. Let's start with mistake number 1, and that is lack of clear communication. This happens when designers and clients aren't on the same page. The result: misunderstandings, revisions, and frustrated clients. But we are not. Here are 3 tips to avoid this mistake. Initiate a detailed briefing. Begin each project with a thorough discussion to understand the client's vision. Then maintain open communication. Keep the conversation going throughout the project to ensure alignment. Lastly, use visual references. Visual aids can help bridge the communication gap. Now, mistake number 2, ignoring typography. Neglecting typography choices can lead to poor readability and design dissonance. To steer clear of this pitfall, remember these 3 tips. Choose fonts wisely. Pay attention to font selection, ensuring it aligns with the design's mood and message. Next, prioritize readability. Opt for legibility over aesthetics, especially in body text. Lastly, balance fonts. Mix and match fonts for contrast, but maintain a harmonious balance. Next up, moving on to mistake number 3, that is overcomplicating design. Sometimes less is more. Complicated designs can confuse viewers and dilute your message. Here's how to keep it simple. Embrace white space. Use white space strategically to create breathing room in your designs. Simplify complex elements. Break down intricate ideas into digestible visuals. Lastly, less is more. Prioritize elements that enhance your message and just remove the rest. Moving on to mistake number 4, and that is neglecting visual hierarchy. If your designs lack a clear flow, viewers may miss your intended focus. Here's how to get it right. Firstly, establish a focal point. Determine what's most important and make it stand out. Number 2, play with contrast. Use color, size, and position to guide the viewer's eye. Lastly, organize the content. Arrange elements logically, ensuring a smooth reading path. Finally, last but not the least, mistake number 5, skipping proofreading and quality control. Trust me, from my years of experience, I have found this mistake in almost all the projects that I have reviewed. Even the best designs can suffer from overlooked errors. To prevent this, proofread thoroughly. Double check for typos, grammar, and design glitches. This can really elevate the quality of the designs that you are offering. Next up, test responsiveness. Ensure your design looks great on different devices and screen sizes. Last but not the least, seek a second opinion. Fresh eyes can catch mistakes you might have missed. And there you have it. Not just the mistakes, but practical tips on how to avoid them. Remember, these lessons are part of our creative journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design insights and tutorials. This helps me keep motivated to create new content for you that helps you become a great designer. Thank you for joining me today. I have shared my previous videos with you in case you would like to give it a shot. Keep creating amazing designs, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hasta la vista, cheero!